I absolutely loved it.
Today was wonderful. I'm happy that we found a best coach for us.
So it was a very interesting session, even for introvert for me. I had fun interacting with everyone, including you.
The session was really, really good. I really missed having a coach.
Very well orchestrated, and your presentation was bang on.
The session is really helpful for us. It's eye-opener on many aspects.
Now I feed the thirsty.
Excellent. So happy to hear that.
I'm really thrilled now to go to the next level.
Super.
It was a very nice session. The second session I'm attending with you. So we enjoyed it.
It was a very interactive session.
Actually came in thinking, should I have to spend an entire day on this? But I loved it. I think so much learning about ourselves through your workshop, and I liked what Suguna said. It was so natural. I'm not someone who tends to open up this much about what I feel, but I think you brought it out very naturally. It was a safe space to talk about. So, thank you.
It definitely opened our eyes on, a lot of thinking which we generally don't tend to do. We are so busy with our, daily work, we don't take the time. So this really gave us the time to analyze and reflect on a lot of processes what we should implement in our own growth.
It was very natural the way you brought it out, We didn't feel like any inhibitions to share, so that was nice.
I still remember the first day I spoke with Sangeeta asking, can we do this? Will you be able to help us? And I'm happy to be here as a participant. Came in thinking, what am I supposed to do for a whole day, right? Made us open up to what we are, and also bring out some of the essences of how we have changed, or probably how we would like to be in the future. And we're hoping to complete all the action plans in the next 3 months, and probably see you with a better proposal right there, better brand of us in the next 3 months.
Really felt good. It was very natural, and the PPT, both your coaching and as well as the PPT was really good, and it made me to rethink about myself deep. Yes, I need to do the deep dive analysis about myself. I was doing it, but sometime I paused it, and I was running as usual with my day-to-day life activities with both career and personal. I didn't think of my dream. I didn't put the expiry date, but still I didn't think of my dream. I just put it on the hold, and somewhere it left out. But you made me to search and bring the dream, and yes, I need to work on it. It's really good.
The fact that you brought us all together to share common challenges makes us feel like we're all in this together.
Second session with you, Sangeeta.
Did it keep us comfortable this time too?
Never had the time to think about myself or all these plans, like every day was a busy day for me. So when they said it's as a training, right, I initially thought it's going to be a boring training. I expected only that, but it was, I'm really thrilled now. So I think definitely I'll work towards that. This training has, opened the doors.
It's very interactive, and the perspectives of leadership comes out like in a different in format, which is easily with the solutions or with the ways to move towards it. So very excited about the other sessions.
It was very interesting, and we didn't feel the exhaustiveness throughout the day. Good.
In fact, it gave me some time to pause and reflect on what I want to do for it. Because when I heard about this first from Preeta, I was like, this is happening at the right time. Because I was at the brim of, okay, I've come to this point. So beyond this, where am I going to go? Or I know where I want to go, but how am I going to do that? And what is it that I have? What is it that I don't have? So I'm looking, and this first session has been amazing. So I'm looking forward very much for the next.
This is really helpful. Expecting another session soon.
I'm more excited for the future sessions.
Super.